Have you ever sung or played an instrument? If so, you've already encountered half steps and whole steps, perhaps without even realizing it. Music is crafted by arranging notes into sequences and patterns, and in music theory, we use specific concepts to describe these rules and patterns. One crucial concept is the music interval. An interval is the distance between two notes. Think of it as a measuring tape for music. Just as we use inches or foot to measure length when building houses, in music, we measure the sound between two notes using half steps and whole steps. These intervals help us create scales, triads, and complex harmonies. Today, we will learn about half steps and whole steps, which can be used to describe musical intervals. Imagine an elephant wandering through a forest. The starting place for the musical note is a pond. It takes the elephant one step to reach a tree, but only half a step to reach a small bush before the tree. The distance from the pond to the bush is a half step or semitone, and from the bush to the tree is another half step or semitone. So when the elephant goes directly from the pond to the tree, it takes a whole step or whole tone. Western music uses 7 alphabets: C, D, E, F, G, A, and B. Let's explore how these notes relate to each other in terms of half steps and whole steps, demonstrated on a piano. The piano is organized into groups of 2 black keys and 3 black keys. C is located to the left of the 2 black keys, making it a helpful reference point for beginners. When you move from C to D, it's a whole step, like the elephant going from the pond to the tree. From D to E is another whole step. You'll notice a black key between C and D, which can be called either C sharp or D flat. Moving from C to C sharp is a half step, similar to the elephant walking to the bush before reaching the tree. We can describe the sound between two notes using half steps and whole steps. F to G is a whole step. G to A is a whole step. A flat to B flat is a whole step. When you move from a white key to the nearest black key, it's a half step. For example, F to F sharp, G to G sharp, E to D sharp. Notice that there are no black keys between E and F or between B and C. These 2 pairs are half steps. By now, you should understand the concept of music interval, half steps, and whole steps. To test your knowledge, identify the following pairs as half steps or whole steps. And here are the answers. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Leave a comment below on what other topics you'd like to see explained. See you next time!